Now I'm going to install the Transit Insulated DuraTherm wall liner. What I'm going to do is put 2 plugs in the top. We have simple, easy push-in plugs, which are really easy to do. Line it up to the contours of the vehicle and the holes, and we just hammer them in. Make sure all your holes are lined up before you put your plugs in, or else they'll bend. After I hammered all the plastic plugs into the holes, there's 2 holes in the front here along the B-pillar where you're going to have to put 2 of the Phillips screws with the screw caps. Snug them right up into that little cavity right here. Then flip the cap to shut the cover. For the driver's side rear panel, we're going to do the same thing as we did the front. Stick 1 or 2 plugs in at the top to hold it and finish filling the holes around the perimeter. On the passenger wall panel, I did the same thing as we did on the driver's side, lined it up, hammered all the plugs in. The only thing different is this has a plastic cover right here to finish it. All you need to do is pop it off and slide your wall panel behind it.